Okay, this is a bench test of the DR350ES Regulator-Rectifier, returned, was sold on eBay to Jamie Prince, and this is a bench test to show that it is working correctly. So, go ahead and spin it up, running a very similar stator to the DR. This is actually off an FZR 600, but same type of stator, three-phase stator with a flywheel. So I'm going to go ahead and spin it up. So I have the stator input running into the regulator, my output, measuring voltage here. That's very low RPM, we're at 13 volts. And I'll go ahead and increase the RPM to show that the regulator is regulating with no load on it. So this would indicate a fully charged battery and the regulator needing to hold down the voltage and bleed off excess current to not pass on to the battery. This regulator regulates perfectly at 14.4 volts. Go up here to the load box. Here's our other gauge, regulating at 14.4 volts. And then I'll go ahead and flip on 200 watts of load to the stator. So now we're drawing current to the load resistors back here. Drawing about 12 amps, 13 amps. Still measuring voltage as I increase RPM. We're still regulating just fine with a load. If I shut one of these off, now we're drawing 100 amps, 100 watts of consumption, about 9 amps at 13.5 volts. Still perfectly fine. I'll switch the load off again. Regulator back and regulating perfectly. Heatsink is working fine. So guaranteed this DR350 regulator works perfectly. I've checked the diodes and the rectifier as well, and they are all in perfect working condition. So this regulator works perfectly. There is probably another problem on the bike, most likely the stator. Thanks.